In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste text styles in Figma. If you've ever wanted your typography to look consistent across your designs without manually matching fonts, sizes, and spacing, this is going to save you a ton of time. Start by heading to Figma in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace and open all projects so you can find the file that contains the text you want to match. Click into the project you're working on, make sure the file you open has at least one text layer with the styling you want to reuse, and another text layer that needs that styling applied. With your file open, locate the text that already looks the way you want. This might be a headline, a subheading, or a body paragraph that has the right font, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. Click to select that text layer. If it's inside a frame or component, double-click until the actual text layer is selected, not just the parent frame. This helps ensure you're copying the text properties themselves. Now copy the text style properties. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus C. This doesn't copy the text content, it copies its style settings, including font family, size, weight, line height, letter spacing, fill color, and other text-related properties. Next, find the text that doesn't have the style you want yet. Click to highlight that destination text layer. Again, if you're inside a group or component, double-click to target the text layer itself. You can also select multiple text layers if you want to paste the same style across several pieces of text at once. Paste the properties you copied. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus V. Instantly, the selected text will adopt the exact style from your source text while keeping its original wording. If something doesn't look right, just undo with Ctrl or Command plus Z and try again. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep both the style text and the destination text visible on your canvas so you can confirm the result at a glance. If a paste doesn't apply, check that you have a text layer selected rather than a frame. You can zoom in and use the Layers panel to be precise. Remember that pasting properties can target multiple selected text layers at once, which is great for cleaning up inconsistent typography. And yes, you can copy from one file and paste into another as long as both are open in Figma. That's it. Fast, clean, and consistent text styling with just 2 shortcuts.